In today's video, I'm going to share an exciting opportunity to get 3 new types of seeds added to the free seed giveaway. YouTube has recently placed a premium on a channel's watch time, so I am placing the same premium in this seed giveaway. In addition to the terms already included in the original video based on subscriber growth, I am prepared to add 3 additional types of seeds due to growth in channel watch time. What is watch time? It is the amount of time users spend watching videos on a channel. So what do you need to do? In short, watch videos on this channel. I have compiled a playlist called Popular Videos. You can access the playlist through this link above by visiting the channel's homepage or visiting the link in this video's description. This playlist includes some of the most enjoyed videos from our first season of the Best Garden channel on YouTube. Make sure you have watched all of these outstanding videos. While you are watching, make sure to hit that like button on videos that you enjoy and also comment on them and share them on social media. Since we are going for watch time, do your best to watch all the way through those videos. We have until the end of the giveaway period on March 5th to get as much watch time as we can. If we get 25,000 minutes, we will add 1 type of seed, 60,000 minutes, 2 types of seed, and at 100,000 minutes, 3 types of seed. These numbers may seem large when thinking only of yourself watching videos, but we have more than 3,000 subscribers already, and each of us will also be sharing these videos, so we can definitely get there. And in the meantime, you can catch up on some of our great gardening content. I will make daily updates to my blog post at bestgardenchannel.com/watchtime to let you know how we are progressing on channel watch time. If this is the first time you are hearing of our seed giveaway, make sure to check our original seed giveaway video for all the details of how to participate.